Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a quite highly requested video. This video has been requested now on my channel for quite some time. So as I was planning this video, a lash brand offered to sponsor this video for me. So thank you so much to BLINXY lashes for sponsoring this video. So these are BLINXY lashes, the lashes that I'm going to be using today. Obviously this video is a beginner's how to apply false lashes. So I'm obviously going to be taking you guys through my step-by-step on how I apply false lashes, and I'm going to be breaking it down into detail and a bit more depth on how I apply false lashes. But in saying that, before I do get into the video, I just want to quickly do a rundown on BLINXY lashes, just in case any of you guys are interested in purchasing any. All the information will be down below in the description box. But BLINXY lashes is a new eyelash brand out at the minute, and they just offer a wide range of false lashes such as natural, glam lashes, ultra glam lashes, 3D silk and 3D mink, and they're also 100% cruelty free as well. If you want to check more in depth about how they are cruelty free and being mink, you can actually find that out on their website, which I was looking up last night. I'm not going to tell you guys and bore you, but I actually thought it was quite interesting. So I did receive this package from them. I have never received a PR package of eyelashes that come in such a nice wee layout box as this, and they also sent me just like two wee separate boxes as well. The one thing that really caught my eye was actually the packaging. So this is the packaging of the lashes here, and it just has the plastic outside sleeve. I would say it's like a bronze rose gold glitter box that it's on, and it is of like a hard glitter, so it actually is quite nice. It doesn't feel like plasticky and cheap. And then you obviously have your plastic tray that the lashes sit in. We ain't done. This is one thing that really caught my eye, was the back of the packaging. So it just kind of has this like 3D eye blinking situation, which I honestly think is so cool. It is really trippy. It is absolutely amazing. I just find that really innovative and different. I've never seen an eyelash packaging like that. I know it's just plain and black, but I just absolutely love the wee layout. I think it's just the wee small personal touches that really kind of do it for me. And then at the back it just has their name, it has their Instagram and their website. Before I get into like the tutorial part of the video, I will link down below at their website and their Instagram. They have also gifted me a discount code for you guys, which is 30% off the entire website, which is absolutely fab because these are really affordable eyelashes, so that is quite a good deal. The first lash that I'm going to be trying on today is the Glam lash, and this is going to be the lash that I'm going to be actually showing you how I apply my false lashes. Whenever it comes to applying false lashes, the three things that you're going to need are a pair of lashes, duh, eyelash glue, and this is personal preference, but you're going to need scissors and or tweezers. So obviously you need your glue to glue your lashes, and then you need your scissors, personal preference, if you want to trim your lashes. The reason I do this is just to see if I need to trim the eyelash or not. So this is what the eyelash just looks like here. I haven't trimmed or anything. I'm just going to place it on my lashes as if I'm actually sticking it on, but I'm just measuring it just to see if I need it trimmed on the outer or inner corner. So I personally actually don't think that needs trimmed, so I'm just going to leave it at that. That looks fine, so we don't need to trim it, which is really handy. My all-time favourite eyelash glue is the Lash Grip Eyelash Adhesive. I get this off eBay. I buy these in bulk because they're like $4.99 or $5.99. You can get this in a white one and you can get this in a dark one. I always get the dark one. I don't know why. A lot of people do seem to prefer the clear or white eyelash glue, but I prefer the dark one. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm now just going to glue my lashes. So I'm going to squeeze out just a tiny wee bit of glue, and I'm going to coat the lashes from tip to tip, as you can see. Just a really even layer is all you really need. I'm going to let them sit for about 20 to 30 seconds, maybe 40 or maybe up to a minute. It just kind of depends what I'm doing, because I don't want to straight away go and apply the lashes because the glue is going to be too wet. It is going to make the lashes slip and slide. So if you let it dry and get slightly tacky, then once you actually set the lashes on, the lash glue is actually ready to set and stick to your actual skin. And I'm sure you have already noticed this from my tutorials as well, but before I stick on my false lashes, eyelashes, I always like to make sure that I have a mascara on. So whenever you're putting mascara on your lashes and then you go to put the lashes on, because your lashes are now lifted and curled with the mascara and the mascara has dried and they're kind of like stuck there in a way, let's just say. But whenever you then go to apply the lash, your false lash has something to fall down on, whereas if you haven't got mascara and your lashes are just like there, it's kind of, it doesn't really have anything to like balance on. I just like to grip the lash basically in the center and then apply it first in the center. You want to get your lash as close to your real lashes as possible without actually putting the lash on your real lashes, because you don't want to get glue on your real lashes, because once you actually take the lashes off, you're going to end up peeling off your real lashes and you don't want that. And then I will go in and I will place down the other lash. Just make sure it's as tight as that lash line as possible. And then I'll come back to this lash, because while I was applying this lash has time to kind of like mold around my eyelid. So I'm going to grab the ends of the lash and just push that in and grab the inner corner and push that in. Again, as tight to the lower lash line as possible. And then with the other eye, but that is basically the lashes on. Next, what I like to do is I like to go underneath my real lashes and above the false lashes, and I like to squeeze. So this is just blending your real lashes to the false lashes. So this next lash is in the style Sassy, and this is a 3D mink lash. I absolutely love eyelashes though, like eyelashes just completely pull a look together. I honestly cannot believe that I've never actually done a video on how to apply eyelashes. This is one thing that I always do in my tutorials. I just always skip through the eyelash application, and I would say out of all the makeup techniques, out of every makeup technique, applying false lashes is probably one of the most like advanced ones, and one of those techniques that people actually do genuinely struggle with. So it's actually quite weird that I've actually never really done one before. So another wee tip and trick I like to do once the lashes are fully on and secure, I just like to take whatever mascara I was using that day, but I just like to coat my real lashes to the actual false lash, if that makes sense. So I'll just get the mascara and I will just go around the entire lash, not coating them completely to the point where it's actually lumpy. Doing this wee technique, I've actually found that the lash is actually more secure to your lashes, because I absolutely despise whenever your lash starts to come off in the inner corner, it goes ping, or the outer lash. I just find that when I'm with the mascara on your real lashes onto the false lashes, kind of molds them together, if that makes sense. Throughout time, because I do that technique, my lashes will become slightly more dirtier every time, but I do end up eventually deep cleaning and washing my lashes. Down below, also in the description box, I will link the video I had done about a year ago on how I deep clean my eyelashes as well. So these are the Sassy lashes. These are a very bold lash. They're very full and they have just like a slight soft curl, and they are a wee bit more feathery towards the ends. Okay, so this lash is in the style Diva, and these are from the Ultra Glam range. Again, I just like to take it in the center, place it on once the glue is tacky. Because once you actually set it onto your eye, you still have like maneuvering time, if that makes sense, to actually place it where you want it to be placed, where if you want it to be more in the inner corner or more flared out on the outer corner. And again, I'm just going to use my fingers just to place the inner and the outer corner just at my lash line. So as I say, these are the Diva lash, which I do find that they are a wee bit more spikier in style. They are slightly longer in the centre to basically open the eye, but they are still long and lightweight, and these lashes would be perfect for smaller eye shapes. For these next eyelashes, I am so excited to try these on. These are the Spotlight lashes, and these are from the Glam range. I honestly do not own. I own a lot of false lashes. I have 2 drawers of false lashes actually, and I do not not own a pair of false lashes that actually look like this. So as I say, these are the Spotlight lashes. They're from the Glam range. This is the type of lash that basically has everything. So as you can see, it has more volume, and then it just has like wee sparse areas of longer lash. So you kind of have a bit of both. Okay, so that's the lashes on. It has the length and it has the volume, and as you can see it has the longer lashes, which gives that wispy effect. I don't know, I just kind of find that these lashes just are very, very pretty, and they definitely make a statement. The second lash is called Amplify, and I'm actually really excited to try these ones. These Amplify lashes are from the Glam range. And I also just want to mention another thing. Say for example you have got a lash and it is slightly more straight than that. Say it's like this and you're kind of struggling to get it in that curved shape to actually fit and shape around your eye. Gently get the lash at both corners and roll it, if that makes sense, like this. As you can see, it's more in that curved shape. That's just kind of another wee tip that I just wanted to put in there, that if a lash is too straight, that you can maneuver it to actually make it more rounded to actually fit and shape your eye, just so that it actually hugs your eye shape more. So this is the Amplify lash. The lash volume is graduated from the inner corner to the outer corner, which that just means that it is going to give that winged and looked effect. Last but not least, these are the Deluxe lashes, and these are from the 3D Mink collection. These are they're definitely smaller in length, but they are a wee bit more wispier in the center, and then they kind of graduate shorter out to the inner and the outer corner. So that kind of means that you definitely have something to actually hold on to, which is quite nice, but definitely you can feel by them that they are thicker. They just feel really, really nice and fluffy actually. Wow, okay, I actually wasn't expecting to like them ones as much as, oh my god, I really wasn't expecting to like those ones as much as I do. Whoa, because I'm definitely not a fan of like short and stumpy lashes nor things, but oh my god. So these are the Deluxe lashes on, so as you can see they're a very full and fluffy wispy lash. They're definitely shorter in length, but they do have like the odd wee wispy lash here and there, and they are slightly longer in the centre. So guys, this is actually now the end of this video. I hope this was all a wee bit informative. I hope you have picked up a few tips and tricks along the way, and if you have any more questions in regards to false lashes and false lash application, leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you on that. But guys, so much for watching, and thank you so much to BLINXY Lashes for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. I will leave their information below in the description box, such as their Instagram and their webpage, and I will also leave my discount code down below as well. I will also down below in the description box I will leave my how I clean my eyelashes tutorial, where I do go in depth and I do show you how I clean my eyelashes. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one.